So in this video, I want to talk about how to make a full-time income selling your knowledge just on school. Now, you may not think that's possible. You may not think that you have the skills needed yet, and you may not think that you're worthy of this, but let me tell you, you are. I have also felt those same emotions, and it was only when I realized you just got to stop feeling those that I started to realize I didn't have the limitations I thought I had. So, what that means for you is if you just go and start and literally just start a school group, don't even think about buying a subscription to anything else except for maybe Loom. But even Loom, you don't really need. Um, and Loom is $15. So, what I would say is start your school group, and I will guarantee your success in terms that you will find paying community members for your group within 14 days. As long as you stick with me, as long as you stick in the live calls, I can guarantee that you will find at least one, and I promise that is a fact. So don't be scared. Just jump in and start a school group today. There's a link for 14 days free, which is how the 14-day trial, 14-day challenge works. You use my 14-day free link, and I will literally work my ass off to guarantee that your school community is set up for success. This is my passion. This is my full-time job, so I'm here to guarantee your success. So this I stole kind of from my mentor. School platform, $99 a month. Zoom, I actually pay $15 a month for my Zoom. Um, $15 a month or $20 a month for Loom. And so in total, it's $149 a month. So the affiliate program is what I am so passionate and in love with right now. So you can earn $39 a month per person that creates a school group, and actually not just one school group. If they create multiple school groups under your affiliate link, you get $39 a month. I currently have 5 people, and it's going to go up to about 6 and maybe double pretty soon, that pay me $39 a month without me having to do any extra work. But I decide to do extra work. I want them to have success, so I help them. So here's kind of the essential thing for getting your school group set up. Here's the course creation process that I created. So first, you want to do market research, content, course planning, platform setup. So sign up on school, customize your course space, set up a course structure. That's what I'm going to be talking about. Up here, we can kind of go into this, but the market research, what you need essentially is to have something you're passionate about, and forget about making money online niche. You don't even have to think about that right now. Like, are you passionate about making leather wallets? Have you made a leather wallet in the past? That's okay if you haven't. Just buy the kit and film your process. Have you done beekeeping in the past? As long as you're passionate about teaching it, people will want to learn with you and pay to be part of your journey. So that's how this essentially works. So we'll go through all that. I'm going to skip to the next one. So let me jump out here. Okay, so market research, how to choose what to sell. So this is where I'm going to personally help you identify your niche, analyze your competitors. I love helping people analyze the questions that are generally had in the space that they're working in. So we're going to go into YouTube, into TikTok, and we're going to dissect the comments that people are having in your space. So we'll know exactly how to sell what you're trying to sell. So